All right, now we're going to talk about simplifying algebraic expressions. I'm using a paper like this that's found in your notebook or in that pack of notes that I sent home. All right, simplifying algebraic expressions. There are some vocab terms that you need to be familiar with. Okay, so this should be a review. You should know what a term is, coefficient, constant, like terms, and simplest form. So let me go over that. We have 6x plus 2 minus 8x. You know what, I'm going to write that over again, hold on. 6x plus 2 minus 8x. You can do this in the top corner of your paper so you have it there for referring to. Okay, so let's talk about what we have. Well, we have this, this, and this. These are all called terms. Okay? 6x and 8x, more specifically, are called like terms. Okay? They're like because they have the same variable. The 2 is called a constant. It's a constant because there's no variable attached to it. You also need to know that this 6 and this 8, they're called coefficients. A coefficient is attached to a variable right in front of it. Okay? So you need to know terms, constant, like terms, and coefficients. You also need to know simplest form. So if I took this and I did 6x plus 2 minus 8x, I know that the 6x and the negative 8x are like terms, and I can combine them. So 6x minus 8x is negative 2x plus 2. That's my answer. That is in simplest form. That is the vocab that we're going to be using. Okay? All right. So let's go through some problems. Number 1, 4m minus 5m plus n minus 7. Like terms. I have m and negative 5m. Those are like terms. So 4 minus 5 is negative 1 or negative m plus n minus 7. Number 2. That's funny because they didn't even ask us to do that. They do want us to identify the terms, the like terms, the coefficients, and the constant. So, the terms are 4m, negative, I'm going to get rid of that, negative 5m, n, and negative 7. Like terms are 4m and negative 5m. The coefficients are just the numbers before it. So I have 4, negative 5, and what's in front of that n? There's a 1 there. You can't see it, but it's there. Your constant is a negative 7. Okay? That's what they're looking for. So that was number 1. You can do number 2. Okay, number 2. Pause it, do it, and come back and check it. All right, welcome back. Number 2. Negative 8x plus 4x minus 2 plus 198 plus 0. Terms, negative 8x, 4x, negative 2, 198, and 0. Do I need the 0? No. Like terms, negative 8x, 4x, and also negative 2 and 198. Coefficients, negative 8 and 4. And the constants are negative 2 and 198. So you should be getting used to these vocab words. Okay? So hopefully you got that correct. If you didn't, go back to number 1 and listen to that again. Now let's move on to simplifying expressions. Number 3, 9m plus 12m. Altogether, I have 15m. I got that by saying, okay, that's not right. Hopefully you knew that. 9m plus 12m is 21m. I got that by saying 9 plus 12 and then attaching the m to that. Okay? Number 4, 5x, negative 5x, plus 4x, minus 9x. These are all like terms. Negative 5 plus 4 minus 9, and then with the x. Negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. Negative 1 and negative 9 is negative 10x. Number 5, negative y minus 2y plus 14. These are like terms. So I have negative y minus 2y is negative 3y plus 4. Number 6, 5 times x minus 3 minus 4. So now I'm throwing in some distributive property. Distribute that 5. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15 minus 4. This and this are like terms. 5x, negative 15, negative 4 is negative 19. Pause it here. See if you can do number 7 and 8 on your own. All right, number 7. Hopefully you tried this on your own, and let's see what you did. You have to distribute first, okay? This one's a little tricky because you're actually distributing the negative 3. Once you distribute the negative 3, you still have negative 7 plus y. Negative 3 times 3 is minus 9. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Combine like terms. I have negative 16 plus y minus 3x. The way math should be written is variables first in alphabetical order. So you have negative 3x plus y minus 16. Hopefully you got that one. Number 8. Number 8. This is a long one. 44 minus 5x plus 7y minus 4x minus 2x plus 8y plus 3. Like terms. I have constants. I have x's. And I have some y's. Okay? So I know that at the end I have to do it by variables, so I'm going to do my x's first. So I have negative 5x minus 2x. Then I'm going to move the y's together, 7y plus 8y. And then I'm going to do my constants, 44 plus 3. So, negative 5x minus 2x is negative 7x. 7y plus 8y is 15y. And 44 plus 3 is 47. And that's my answer. I'm going to, or there should be a post up here for homework, so you can do some practice for simplifying expressions. Thank you. If you have questions, let me know.